Civil engineers assigned to the 185th Air Refueling Wing wrestled with another round of snow this week at the Sioux City, Iowa-based Air National Guard unit. According to Mark Benson, who is a member of the snow crew in Sioux City, getting snow cleared is not a solo act. He said the operation is affected because many of his team members are deployed overseas this winter.
Everybody's here. Everything works really good and flows, but if we do have somebody missing, if somebody tries to fill in, and hopefully we can get everything done in time. But it is a team effort.
This week, snow was piled on top of a series of snow events this winter in western Iowa that required snow removal crews to work a lot of additional hours in order to ensure air operations at the Air Guard wing could continue without interruption. Benson says the main priority is getting the flight line cleared in order to allow crew chiefs at the unit to prepare the unit's KC-135 refueling aircraft for flight. He added, even though the end of the snow season is near, he said it's not quite over yet.
But we're going into March, and March is anything can happen.
He adds that with the busy season, keeping the equipment up and running has presented some challenges, but they are getting the job done.
Vehicle maintenance has been busy, keeping us up and going. It's usually the big equipment, and it's usually something electronic. It's not something that's easy like a piece of hydraulic. It's something to do with electronics.
At the Iowa Air National Guard Base in Sioux City, Iowa, I'm Master Sergeant Vince DeGroat, Air Force News.